Noah, your apron, could you put it on properly, please? Daily, could you please help him, please? I'll take the bag and expect. Any bags, could you give it to me, please? Thank you very much. From the shopping, I'll get all the spices out, and then you can use them as well. Thank you. Anyone help you with that yet? Hold on. Hey, Liam, could you tie this for Noah at the back, please? I will also set up the table outside and then put the chairs. I'll do the chairs and the table for us as well to sit and eat. All drinks in the fridge so that it's out of the way and does not get in the way. Yeah, all drinks in the fridge. Well, yeah, that one, the gray one. Put all the drinks in the fridge over there in the gray one, please. You need the mussels, yes. Sorry. Oh, that doesn't go in the fridge. No, we didn't run out of mussels. I'm sure we have the mussels here. I think it's just been. Why do you need the mussels now, Noah? Yeah, why do you need it now? You still need to fry the meat, right? So where's the meat? So yeah, wait for the others. Yeah, frying is a lot quicker. So do you want? If you want to bake it, that is fine. So put it in. You need oil though. You can't. Yeah, but the oil inside and then around it. Now, whose drink? I want in the fridge. Whose drink? I want in the fridge, please. Thank you. I need you all to talk to each other with respect. Thank you very much. There's still some meat here. Whose steak? Where's Mr. O'Connor? Why are you standing there? Do you need anything? Sorry? Oh, damn, that looks very nice.
Look at the patty.
Nice patty. Very nice. Very nice. Yep, do that. Whatever you have to do. Move your workstation if you have to. Yes, move your workstation if you have to.
Two triangles or 3 plates?
Oh, that's right. I'm going to just put mine here. Thank you. I just thought. Yeah. I'm just
Make as many as you can. That's why make as many as you can, and then share to whoever you want at the end. I will set up the tables outside. How you doing, Mr. O'Connor? Good. All right, cool. Good. Sorry, what do you need? Let's keep the knives pointed to the ground, please. Or shall I say to the table? Thank you very much. I need you all to talk to each other with respect, people. Yes? Yeah. Thank you. Did you get onion into your eyes? All right, put a knife down and go and rinse your eyes. That's what you do. All right, cool. Right, Noah, if you're cutting, you have to get a small knife for the cutting part once she's done. Now, Noah, you need a bowl for the cheese. You know that, right? So get a bowl for the cheese. Shall I get more? Noah, bowl for the cheese.
Cinnamon buns.
Yeah, let's see. Sorry, what are you looking for, Noah?
Little knife.
Little knife, right. Talk to anyone in the kitchen about little knife. I've got a big salt and small salt and sea salt and normal salt, I guess. I believe, thank you. Good, well done. Oh, black pepper. Black pepper for those who want it. I'm sorry, but I don't have white pepper, so. Wow, dad joke, okay, dad jokes. Let's see, what else I can find. Ooh, oyster sauce. Hey, you won't believe what I found. Oyster sauce. For those who want it, oyster sauce. Yeah, I know. I did not try oyster sauce, no, but I'm pulling sweet sour sauce. Ooh, that would be nice. Sweet sour sauce, what do you think? Sweet sour sauce for those who are interested. And I have naturally brewed soy sauce. Yeah. No, we don't need that. That's for like pancakes and stuff.
Do you have any more?
What do you think? Oh, what are you going? Barbecue? Are we going barbecue or garlic? Yeah, take the garlic. Take the garlic. Sorry. Hold on. Curry? Oh, who would use this? What mild curry powder? Would you,
Curry pot.
for curry powder? I mean, you know, would you use curry powder?
Making curry?
No. Who's gonna use Marmite?
I don't think we could. Some of the water splashed on me.
You found the pan, did you?
Feel how heavy that is.
Damn, that is heavy. All right, someone found the pan, which is perfect. What is that?
Fish sauce.
Fish sauce. What? We don't have. Oh,
No, it's
are you gonna use it for your fish?
fish flavor.
Fish flavored. Are you gonna use it for your one?
And then
What the hell is that? It's just a general
the
sauce.
original brown sauce.
Original brown sauce.
It's
All right.
you.
No, oh wow. Now there's a selection of sauces here. If you want to spice things up, yes? Yes. Yeah, we have barbecue sauce. I'll find one. So, oh, actually, look at that. I was just about to, gluten-free sauce. I just found a gluten-free sauce. Don't touch that unless you're using it. Now, let's see. What else is in here? Barbecue. Somebody asked for barbecue sauce.
Moses.
Mustard.
We have one of these at home, Moses. We've had it for like
Why are
over
you
10
focusing
years.
on things-
No, we've had it for over 10 years. I opened it not long ago. It was pure black.
Yes.
It was like, it was blacker than you, man.
Thank you. Appreciate that. Now carry
It was
on.
like tar.
Good God. Hey, I just found a mild American mustard. Who wants an American mustard? Sorry, what? Like normal? Very, very normal. We have that. Yes, I know.
You should get some fresh lemon.
Right, are we finished the cheese? You need a container to put it in. Oil, there should be oil. There's oil around. Yeah, well, try this one.
I know you.
We also got Winchester.
Winchester what?
Winchester sauce. It's
So, if you're
we got
wondering,
vinegar, that's what I was.
do we already have vinegar? No, we don't. Do it. Take that. Yep, that would do. No more sauces. No more sauces. How's your fish coming?
It's not on because I'm waiting.
Oh, you're just waiting for the. All right. Are you gonna cover it while it?
It's in the fridge.
All right. So you're just waiting for room. All right. Let's see. Yes. We'll cook it when it's ready.
She said she's gonna use the whole.
That's a good way to improvise. You need a bit of oil at the bottom, at the top. Are you gonna add spices and all that?
Hey, she said
Yeah.
you want to do the whole block of cheese.
No, don't do the whole block of cheese. Maybe do like a quarter.
I want to cut.
Yes, you cut when she's ready.
You don't want whole
She's
block.
gonna use the whole block of cheese.
No, she's not. Oh my God. Oh, that is nice. That is nice. Very nice. Very, very nice. That's nice. It's quite huge.
Yeah, we're gonna push it down. Yeah. We're doing one by one. Some 6 of them.
Noah, stop complaining, please. She's not gonna use the whole thing. Oh, that looks nice. Damn. Veggies, right?
And they like press it up.
Is that a which one? Is that a prawns?
Fried prawns.
Why are you eating it while you're preparing?
I'm eating chips.
Ah, okay. Good. But why a few? You want to put a lot in it?
Yeah.
It has to be.
There has to be a few at a time, otherwise it sucks up all of the stuff.
Says who?
That's what I'm
Put a lot more. People are waiting for the fry pan. Yeah, put a lot more.
trying to get in the. I got the
Are you putting yours in? Oh, look at that fish. Yeah. A metal one, if there is, I'll show you where it's going to be. Amazing. They will most likely be here. So, yeah, top one or maybe this bottom one right here.
So I make the drink.
Not yet. You got your fish out. What did you do with it?
Oven.
Oh, it's in the oven now. Did you preheat the oven? All right. What temperature is it on at the moment? 200 or 250?
200.
200. Nice. Good.
I think 250.
Noah, what are you looking for? Carrot. Carrot is in there.
Because 250
Open it.
would be too much.
That one. Yep. Why is carrot in the freezer? It can't be in the freezer.
Boy, it goes all holy in there.
Use 2 hands, please. Thank you. That's your carrot.